Many commercial spaces across the U.S. and Canada still use outdated fluorescent lamps and technology. If this is true for your facility, now is the time to upgrade. The good news is that planning a lighting upgrade does not have to be difficult or intimidating. The Lutron Ballast Retrofit Kit is a simple solution that allows you to replace your lamps and Lutron ballasts without changing the fixture or wiring. These pre-kitted options let you easily implement upgrades on your own time and within your own budget. Lutron Ballast Retrofit Kits offer a one-to-one replacement with everything you need, including compatible LED lamps and Lutron LED drivers. With these kits, you can start with a single fixture and do as few or as many as you like within a given time frame. To get started, contact your local Lutron rep or distributor today.